PSR. I want to check that PSR is set to 999, so I'm resetting it or raising the default from 25 to 999, and okay. Finally, I want to add to that, Webcam Max is another webcam software. Let's see if it will work again. It does not work, you can see that it does not work, and I may have to change the cameras. So let me select another camera. Microsoft webcam or the integrated webcam. Let's try the Microsoft and see if that works. And that seems to be working okay. Said that I'd like to cover the screen. There's too much glare. This camera is not, for some reason, it is not so clear. Okay, let's try to record from there too. Maybe change the camera. Let's try another camera here. Integrated webcam, is that any better? Wow, much better, yes. Let's try to do this. Now close that. Start recording here. Okay. And finally, last but not least, is that start recording the PSR and move it away. And the cursor doesn't work so well. You can move it, try to move it without the cursor. It doesn't work so well either. I have to do something with this cursor. It's really getting annoying. Let's see if I can move the email. Okay. One other recording is the cloud recorder, which I want to use. This is Loom. Loom, the cloud recorder. It may have some issues, so I may have to use it without. Search the mail for Google Voice. There it is. So Google Voice will expire for Recruits Biz. So Recruits Biz. This is the one that will expire within 7 days. Wow. Copy. Edit, paste. It seems like Loom doesn't work. It's just running out of resources. Let's also close the spreadsheet here. The PixieBot. Be a little room for. Close. Finally move it. I have to close some apps because otherwise it's too crowded and the computer cannot handle this load. What other apps do I have running here? Close all those apps. now that I copied the recruits.biz, I'm going to delete it. And now I want to log into recruits.biz, so I want to mark it with a cursor. But before I'm continuing, I want to make a little discussion of what's in this video. So this is a LED hat that displayed the message of with more biz and the equivalent phone number. I may even have it here on the computer on the desktop. Let's see if I have it on the desktop. With more biz. I don't see it, and I should have it on the desktop here. Here, with more biz at. So this is it, with more biz. You can see the file name. With more biz. So this is the file name that is displayed on the hat. Let's start a new clip with that. So I'm going to end the current clip and start a new short clip. This is the LED light with a message of with more biz. An LED cap. And in the background you can see another example of the same thing. For some reason it won't move. Try to move it more to the corner here. So this is it for now. Going to stop the 360 and put the 360 camera away, turn it off until the next session. Put it down for the next session. Okay, then I want to also close this notepad, close some of the applications that I don't need, and see if I can log in to this new account. In order to log into this new account, I have to copy to the clipboard buffer, edit, copy, then open up a browser and see if I can log into the email. Maybe I should use another browser. Let's try this browser and see if this works. So I want to open up another instance of the inbox. Then I want to log into another account. Let me also add the account into the SAR problem step recorder. And then try to log into this account. I want to scroll down, add another account, and then paste the account into my notes. And then log in. And skip. Not now. here you can see the messages that I need to delete. So I want to select all of them first and then unselect the messages that I sent to myself and delete the rest. And then go to voice and make an outbound call. Tell ChatGPT.
Hi, I'm ChatGPT, an AI assistant. Just so you know, our conversation may be reviewed for safety. By continuing this call, you agree to OpenAI's terms and privacy policy. So, how can I help you today?
Help me by helping me figure out how to further develop this domain name that I have and the matching,
Absolutely.
the domain name and its matching vanity phone number.
Great. Having a matching domain name and vanity phone number can be a powerful branding tool. What's the domain name and phone number you're working with? And what kind of business or service do you have in mind?
Yes, I'll let you figure it out. That's my question to you. What kind of business do you think it will be best for? But the domain name is recruits.ai. And the phone number is area code 732, 784, and 8724.
Got it. So with recruits.ai and the phone number in the 732 area code, it sounds like a business focused on recruitment or staffing, possibly with a tech or AI angle. This could be for a company offering AI-driven recruitment services, helping other businesses find the right talent using artificial intelligence. How does that sound to you?
That sounds perfectly well, but now I need to find the software apps that will automate with their recruiting business using AI, preferably Gen AI, generative AI, in real time.
Sure, you're looking for an AI-powered recruitment software, ideally one that uses generative AI and works in real time. Some options to consider include 1. HireVue uses AI for video interviews and assessment. 2. Timemetrics utilizes AI-driven games to assess candidates' soft skills. 3.
I
Eightfold.ai
forgot.
offers a talent intelligence platform for matching and managing talent. These platforms leverage AI to streamline the recruitment process, but it's essential to ensure they fit your specific needs. Would you like more details on any of these?
Yes.
Or are you looking...
Specifically, I would like those that have a version that is free because I need to use it for my classes and I don't want the students to have to pay anything. So I want one that has a version that is free completely.
Got it.
That the students can use for free and make presentation in the class and then show it to companies.
Got it. For educational purposes and student presentations, you might want to look into open source options or platforms that offer free tiers for educational use. GitHub often has open source AI projects, or you could explore academic licenses from some of the bigger platforms. Have you checked out options like Hugging Face's Transformers library or Google's TensorFlow? They might offer what you're looking for without any cost to the students.
Yes, but I don't want to have to go to anything else. It doesn't need to be open source. All I want is to have a free version that can conduct a quick interview for recruiting purposes. What among the applications that you listed before, which one are free?
From the ones I mentioned, Interview AI and HireVue are popular for conducting interviews, but they might not offer a completely free version. You may want to explore these or similar platforms to see if they have any educational discounts or free tiers for basic use.
Yeah, all I
Often, companies are willing to provide free access for educational purposes if you reach out to them directly.
free tier.
It's
So
worth asking their customer support if they have any special offers for students or educators.
Yeah, which one have a free tier for education? Free.
Got it. You're looking for something simple and straightforward for your students to use without any cost.
Yes, and later the students can sell it
I'll
to.
email you some options right after our call. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Okay, what email address can you use?
For educational purposes, some platforms like IBM Watson, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud offer free tiers or credits for educational use.
Okay, it seems that this is all that we could do for now.
Selling their services later could be a great way for them to gain real-world experience and even kickstart their careers.
Yes, after the student do a demo for themselves, then they will make a demo for companies that are in the recruiting
I can't
business.
send emails directly, but I suggest checking the websites of the platforms we discussed for any educational programs or free tiers they offer.
So repeat
If you
again,
need more details, I'd be happy to help guide you through the process.
just tell me
Anything else on your mind?
Yeah, just tell me again the name of the recruiting AI chatbots that are available. Can you think about recruiting AI chatbots that are available and may have a free tier?
Absolutely. And you've got a solid starting point. If you need more help in the future, just let me know. Have a great day.
You too. Okay, remember I'm recording. So now I'm uploading the folder, the Google Voice folder that has been updated with today's file. I want to open so I need to delete the file name. I want to keep the path to the folder, Google Voice, but delete that the file name would not expire in 7 days. And open. Doesn't open it so quickly. Don't know what is the problem that it has, but I want to say new, folder upload, paste, Control V to paste the folder name, then go back to keep only the folder or the subfolder path, and then click upload once and select keep both folders and upload again, click upload again. You see how slow it is, which means that it is overloaded with problems. The machine simply cannot handle it. Then I go back and I look 367 files. So I put the number 367, 367 and enter. And then I make another subfolder, file, save as, and try to save the same file name into a specialized folder that contains a subfolder within the document subfolder that contains the prefix of open parentheses and rec for recruits. So I need to skip down to the letter R, open parentheses R, went down too far. I want to find open parentheses R. Open parentheses R. Here's open Y with U, T, here's R. So I'm looking for recruits. Recruits. Recruits biz, here it is. Open recruits biz, capture the path, copy to the clipboard buffer, Control C to copy, and then place the cursor at the beginning of the file name field and Control V to paste, followed by the backslash, and then I want to review and copy to the clipboard buffer first, and then select save, and then go back to my edit notepad and paste it. At this point, I'm ready to upload it to the cloud. So I select plus new, folder upload, and then paste the folder name plus the file name. Then I have to go back to just give the folder name and enter one more time, and then select upload, and then select keep both folders and upload again. And this time I'm going to mark the file name with the prefix of X and space, and then look at the number of files that were uploaded, which is 7, and enter. And now I finished that much, and I go to save with file, save. At this point, I'm ready to also edit as a comment into the Pessar problem step recorder Pessar.exe, which is problem step recorder executable. Then I'm going to stop Pessar problem step recorder and try to save it. So in so doing, I'm going to pick up the previous file name and overwrite it with today's topic in date and time. So I'm going to overwrite the portion of it with today's message, Control V to paste, and then I want to back up from the beginning of the file name all the way to the .zip, because it's going to be a zip type of a file. And then I need to update the time and the date. So today is 5/10, that is the 10th of May, 5/10, 2025. The day of the week is Saturday, capital S-A, and the time of the day, the current time is 1:51. I started it at about 1:15 p.m. So let's put it up here. 1:15 p.m. was the start time, and the current time is 1:51 p.m. So 1:51 p.m. And the message is, it is a .zip type of file, and the message is that the account Rick Roots Biz and its matching phone number will not expire in 7 days. And now I want to copy with Control C, or copy to the clipboard buffer the path to Pessar.exe and list it here. Control V and backspace. And now review again and copy to the clipboard buffer, and then save it. An error occurred. Okay, so we can try it again. Paste it, then click Save, then click Review Additional Details, and scroll up to see that that was step 9. As I start a new recording, add a comment, and I'm going to paste the file name that I just created as a comment, and then enter, and then OK, and then go back and paste it into my notes. Edit, paste, and file, save. And now I want to upload this file to my file upload to the cloud. Control V to upload the file. This is a zip type of a file. Copy it to the clipboard buffer, and then open and upload it. And then put an X after that to indicate that I uploaded it too. With Control V, I saved it and I uploaded it, and that then I saved the notepad again, and then I want to mark all of it with a closed brace at the end, and go to the very top of the file and mark it with the open brace. And before I do that, I want to also put the file in my log subfolder. So I'm going to paste the file name again, edit, paste, but this time I'm going to change it from the original sar.txt subfolder to my log subfolder. So I want to scroll down to see if I have already in this file the log subfolder. So I can search it, Control F to search, and type the word log, and then find next, and I found it right here. So I want to copy this to the clipboard buffer. I hold down the Shift key and I scroll down all the way to the log. Then I go to Edit, copy to the clipboard buffer, and then scroll all the way to the top to override the current subfolder. So I highlight it all the way to sar.txt, and then Control V. I noticed that by mistake I left an extra C and an extra colon, a backspace. Now I got a complete string, and that is not going to be a zip, it's going to be a text type of file, so we'll make it txt, and I'll replace also the zip in there by .txt. So I have it in the body of the file name and also as an extension at the end. And now, for some reason, the cursor doesn't go to the very beginning. Let me see if I can get it marked. Yes, I got it all marked. Edit, copy to the clipboard buffer, and then file, save as, and paste the entire string, and save it this time in the log subfolder. And by so doing, I finish the entire cycle for this account, and it will not expire within 7 days. Now I go back to the email client to see if I have any other Google Voice messages that tell me that it will expire. I go Google Voice, tab, and here I find another one that claims to expire. And let's see the message in 30 days. So I'm going to mark it with a cursor. The cursor doesn't function well, it refuses to go down. So let's see if I can mark it anyways. Right mouse click to copy to the clipboard buffer, and then I'm going to select another demarcation area in my notepad, starting with less than sign. Control V to paste the newly displayed message, and then a greater than sign to segregate it from the rest. Then I'm going to say file, save as. Then I'm going to edit as a comment to PSAR, the problem step recorder. So I paste it here too, and okay. And now I'm ready to delete the message and log into it. I'm going to delete this message because it will not expire since I'm going to make an outbound call. I'm going to mark it. 1 sold website, edit, copy. And now I want to log into this new account, 1 sold website. So I'm going to scroll down and select add another account, paste the new account in the dialog box, and then select it and go next, next, and skip, and not now. Then I want to locate. First of all, I want to power up your productivity with AI. I want to dismiss. Select all the files here and delete them. Outdated emails. And now locate. Go to voice. Locate voice. And make an outbound call to ChatGPT. So I want to dial 800 ChatGPT, 800 chat GPT. I will make an outbound call with ChatGPT to comply with the Google requirement. So edit, copy, paste the phone number that I want to call, make an outbound call, paste, and dial.
Hi, I'm ChatGPT, an AI assistant. Just so you know, our conversation may be reviewed for safety. By continuing this call, you agree to OpenAI's terms and privacy policy. So, how can I help you today?
Help me by determining what to do with my domain name and vanity phone number.
Great choices. For a domain name, think about something catchy, easy to spell, and related to your business. As for a vanity phone number, try to incorporate a word that reflects your brand or service. Do you have any ideas, or would you like some suggestions?
No, I've done it already, and I wanted to listen to it, see if you can repeat it, and then give me some ideas of how can I implement it.
Got it. Please say your domain name and vanity phone number, and I'll repeat them back to you.
Okay, great. So let me say the domain name is 1 sold website.
So your domain name is onesoulwebsite.com. Did I get that right?
Yes. And the matching phone number is area code 567 393 and 2748.
All right. Your vanity phone number is area code 567, then 393 soul. That's 2748. Is that correct?
That's right. So it is an overspell in the sense that the letter E is not included in the phone number.
Right. It's a clever way to spell soul without the letter E by using the numbers 2748. Very creative.
Right, which convert to the converts to the S, the 2748.
It converts to the numbers 248.
What is it? Sold web. Oh, to be.
Got it.
Beside.
So soul translates to 7685 on the phone keypad.
Right.
So your number would be 567 393 768.
Right.
Ah, I see. So the word soul corresponds to the numbers 7653. So your number reads 567-393-7653. Thanks for breaking it down for me.
Right, and I also have to comply with the Google requirement to make an outbound call so it won't expire within 30 days. Did you understand? I'm making an outbound call that it won't expire. This Google Voice number won't expire within 30 days.
To comply with Google's requirements for making outbound calls, you'll need to ensure your number is verified and follows their policies. This often includes staying active, following proper usage guidelines, and abiding by their terms of service. Regularly check Google's guidelines to ensure you're in compliance.
Yes, I want to replace it. And now I finish with the outbound call so I can upload it to the drive. So I'm going to drive and I'm selecting plus new, folder upload, then paste Control V, the folder, and now I want to go back all the way to the Google Voice subfolder and press enter to upload. Press enter once, and then I press enter twice, then I click the upload button, and I wait for Google to reply with the upload options where I select keep both folders and click upload. And now I'm waiting for it to respond that it is uploading it and how many folders have been uploaded, which so far says 189. So I'm going to my notepad here. First of all, I'm going to put an X and a space in front as a prefix to the file name to know that I've saved it and uploaded it. And then the number of total files, it says 56 of 367. So I enter 56 space of 367. 67. Okay, so now I reported about it in my notepad, and then I go file, save again. And now I'm ready to save this file and put it in my notes. So I add a comment to my pesar.txt, which stands for problem step recorder executable. And okay. And then I want to proceed and save the file in another location yet. So I'm going to go File, Save As. I'm pasting the new name, one sold website at, the phone number will not expire in 30 days. And now I'm expanding the document subfolder to look for that subfolder. And that starts with the number 1. So I have to scroll down to the number 1 in my, that is at the end of after the open parentheses. So open parentheses, then I'm going to all the files that start with the number 1 until I find this one sold. So one sold, one sold website is here. Go into it, copy to the clipboard buffer, and insert it as a prefix to the file name. Control V and a backslash. So now I got myself a prefix of the path to the one sold website subfolder, and then I have the file name following it. Right mouse click to copy to the clipboard buffer, and then click save to save it. And now that I saved it, I'm going to paste it in my notepad and try to upload it to the Google Drive. So I select new, folder upload, focus the cursor on the folder name, and now backspace all the way to the end of the subfolder path. Then press enter to upload, and enter again to confirm. Then click upload again, and then select both folders and upload. And let's see what it will do. 505. So I'm going to go back and mark it X and space and 505. 505. And file save again. So now that I got all of that done, I'm going to edit as a comment to Pissar problem step recorder. Okay. And then I'm going to stop Pissar problem step recorder and save the new folder in another directory. So that will be 3 folders for the same procedure on the local hard drive. So I select the save button and I click save. And now I'm going to paste my folder subname, paste in the notes here. But this is not good because I need to have the zip version of it. So I took the zip version of the previous folder. I'll give this a subscript of A, and then I'm going to change the suffix of that with the current topic. So I marked the previous suffix, which it was for recruits biz. Then I place the cursor on it with Control V and overwrite it with the new topic, which is one sold website. So then I go back to the beginning. So the topic is one sold website, and now I want to update the time. The current time is 2:11, so I put 2.11 and delete. Now I got the complete file name. I want to insert it as a prefix the pissar.txt path. So I copy it to the clipboard buffer, go down to the file name field, focus the cursor on the first position, then with Control V, paste it followed by a backslash. Copy to the clipboard buffer and save. And then click Review Additional Details to see that that was 228 steps. At this point, I'm going to start a new recording, add a comment with the previous recording, file name plus path. okay, and then paste it into my notes, Control V, and enter, and then file, save again, and upload that to my Google Drive. For that purpose, I'm selecting plus new for Drive, but this time I'm going to upload the file, not the entire subfolder. Control V, enter the file name and the path of the star.txt, and that is going to be a zip type of a file. I copy it to the clipboard buffer and click open again, and it uploads it. Then I mark it with an X in front, so I know that I uploaded that too. And that concludes the session, and I save it. And now I'm ready to go back and check whether there are any more Google Voice numbers that have to be refreshed. So I type Google Voice, and here is another couple of Google Voice number that already it says that one has expired. I cannot believe that it has expired, and why did it expire? I'm going to copy to the next, add and paste. Copy it into my notes, the whole thing. I don't know why it has expired. Why does it expire? Google Voice team. Nightmare with this Google Voice, huh? So that will be a close brace. Let's go to the very beginning. Open brace. Now I'll try to log into it and see what is going on with it. Why do they expire it, and what are the messages that I got? I have to take them all out of Google here. I don't know why they keep expiring again. Let's go to Google Voice and see if it is already gone. Yes. Okay, so let's go. Google Voice. Google Voice. Another one would expire. Expire. Would expire. Has expired. Job forensic. in 30 days. Let me go back there and see what is happening. This is unsold. Let's go to that, to Google Voice. See what's happening there. Google Voice. Nothing left of this Google Voice. Reclaim. How can I reclaim it? Reclaim. Verify. Selected. Same code. Verified by phone. Now, here, open, 668, 247, 6736, 6736. Edit copy. Paste. Yeah, can you help me here? They expired my phone number. Never mind.
What do you want me to do? You gonna send me something or what?
Let me see if I can call them and you can. No, that is not. Couldn't recognize the phone number. So I'm going to enter your number.
Okay. 843
Just a
779.
second. Eight
43
4 3
779
7 7 9
2426.
2 4 2 6 and call. To verify this number, call you, okay?
Okay.
Call. Does it call you?
Maybe send text.
Call it.
Not gonna call.
Call again.
No, just do text.
Call again. I want to record audio.
Okay, but it's not calling.
Can you help me, George?
It's not calling. Did you put the right number? Show me you gave me the right number. Show me the
Something went wrong. Try with another number.
Oh, it's not working. You selected
Verify. Tell me the number again.
843
8 4 3
779
9
2426.
4 2 6.
Is that 779 2426?
Yes. Verified by phone. And call.
No. Google just couldn't recognize that phone number. 7224. You have the wrong number.
Right. 8 4 3 7 7 9 2 4
26.
2 6.
Is that 6?
Yes. To verify this number, Google Voice will call it. You will hear a 6-digit code.
Okay. Fine.
Okay.
It's not calling. It's not calling.
Did you hear a noise?
No, I just made it louder. It's
Make
not
it
calling.
louder.
I made it louder.
Call again.
No, don't call again.
Be
Use
quiet.
text.
Help
Use
me.
text. You did it twice. Try to text. It's not working on calling. Do it. You want to get it. Make it text. Verify. 843 843 779
Please don't scream at me all the time.
2426
Four.
26 and do a text. You tried already 3 times. Send text. Let's see if the text works.
Send code. Okay.
No. No.
You know what's the problem?
No.
Resend the code. Okay.
Okay.
Look
No.
again.
It's not. Nada. Nothing's working.
Okay, let me try mine. Can you watch my phone,
Yeah.
please? Just let me turn it on and put it in.
It's fully charged. Okay.
9, 6, 6, 7, 3, 2, 4, 9.
Are you calling or are you?
Not yet. What is the problem with having all the time? Copy. Let's see. Call by phone. Call. Did you turn mine on?
Yeah. Oh, now it's working.
Tell me the
Okay.
code, please. Loud. Fucker.
This is loudest.
Loud.
I put it on loudest.
Okay, fine. Phone number added. Okay.
Okay.
Has been successfully linked.
All right. Can I
Fine.
get the
Thank you
logger?
very much. Yes.
Okay. This is full. And the
I don't know what's
Charge.
the problem with it. I called it January 29.
Hi, I'm ChatGPT, an AI assistant. Just so you know, our conversation may be reviewed for safety. By continuing this call, you agree to OpenAI's terms and privacy policy. So, how can I help you today?
Help me deal with my vanity phone number.
Sure. What would you like help with?
Let me tell you what is my vanity domain name, and
Oh, a
it's
vanity phone number. Are you looking to get one, or do you need help with something specific about it?
No, I have one, and I want
Absolutely. Go ahead and share your vanity domain name with me.
and I want to develop it further.
Got it. Sorry for...
Can you hear me?
Sounds like you have a vanity domain and want to do something with it. What are you looking to achieve?
I want to tell you my domain name is USA Blockchain.
Great.
US,
Developing your vanity domain further can be exciting. Do you need help with web development, content ideas, or something else?
both. USA Blockchain, and the matching number is 87.
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me all right?
Yes, I hear you all right. And the matching phone number is area code 872 256, 2524. Did you understand it?
So, your domain, USA blockchain, and then what comes after that?
The phone number, which is area code 872 256 2524.
Oh,
Did you get it?
got it. Your domain name, okay. So the number, great. So your matching phone number is 800-872-2524. What can I help you with regarding your domain and number?
No, you got the number wrong. It is area code 872
Yes,
200.
I understand that you have the domain USA blockchain and a matching phone number, 800-872-2524.
No.
How can I assist you further with these?
No, you didn't get the number correctly. Let me repeat the number in slow-mo. Area code is 872 256 2524. Repeat the number. Can you repeat the number?
Got it. Your phone number is 800-725-2524. How can I assist you with this number?
No, let me repeat yet again. The number starts.
Yes, I got it. Your number is 800-725-2524. How can I help you with your vanity phone number?
No, you got the number incorrectly. Let me start again with the correct number. Let's break it down. The area code is 872. Repeat the area code.
Got it. 872 is the area.
That's right. And the number is 256 2524.
Thanks for repeating that. It's 800-872-2562-524. Correct?
Correct. Very good. So you got now the domain name is USA
Sure.
Black.
Your number is 800-872-256-2524. Did I?
Yes. So now I need to develop
Okay,
it.
I'm ready. Go ahead and repeat the number slowly.
The number is as follows. Starting with an
All right.
area code is 872 256
Got it. The area code
2524.
is 872.
Yes.
So the full number is 872 256 2524. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
All right. You mentioned USA blockchain. What comes after that?
USA blockchain.ai. The domain name extension.
Got it. You're looking to develop your USA
Blockchain.ai. So it will be the integration of AI into blockchain.
Got it. The phone number for your USA blockchain domain is 872 256 2524. What kind of development help are you looking for with your domain?
I want to develop it into an AI blockchain discussion so people can understand how can they integrate AI phone callers together with the blockchain in the United States, in the USA. Do you know of any examples of companies that are doing it now?
Okay. Could you confirm if the number is 872 256 2524?
Yes, that is the correct number. Do you know of any integration of blockchain and AI already available on the web? Okay, so here we have a new message that will expire within 30 days. So I copy it to the clipboard buffer, then delete it from the email, and go to the top of my notepad file to create another segregated area to record the message that this Google phone number will expire within 30 days. Job forensic. I'm going to job forensic. Edit, copy, and log into it instead of a current folder here. Now I want to delete all these messages. Delete all these messages. Then log into another account. Paste the other account and try to log into it. Delete all the messages here that are outdated. And then go to voice. In voice, I want to make an outbound call. And I see that I have a lot of junk calls that I need to delete, so I hold down all these spammers, and I want to delete all these spammers. Delete all the spammers. Then I want to call 800 ChatGPT, which I have listed here somewhere. Cannot find it anymore, so I'm going to just retype it here. 800 ChatGPT. ChatGPT.
Hi, I'm ChatGPT, an AI assistant. Just so you know, our conversation may be reviewed for safety. By continuing this call, you agree to OpenAI's terms and privacy policy. So, how can I help you today?
Help me further develop my domain name, jobforensic.ai.
Okay, you want help developing your domain name, forensics.ai.
No.
What kind of assistance?
Not forensic, job, J-O-B, forensic.ai.
Got it. You want help developing your domain name, forensicjob.ai, right?
Wrong. The opposite. The first, it is the word job, and second is forensic, and then .ai.
Oh, I see. The domain name is jobforensic.ai. What do you need help with for this domain?
To figure out what are the applications in job forensics, that are using AI.
AI can be used in job forensics for various applications, such as automating the analysis of digital evidence, enhancing pattern recognition, speeding up the process of sorting through large amounts of data, and even predicting trends or identifying anomalies. Did you have a specific use case in mind?
Yes, this is the use case that I have in mind is how to get jobs in the area of forensic computing, for example. So job forensics, how can I promote it so lawyers that are seeking, that have forensic jobs in computing will contact me and will offer me the jobs?
To promote your domain for lawyers seeking forensic computing jobs, you could 1. Optimize your website for search engines with relevant keywords. 2. Create informative content like blogs or videos about forensic computing in the legal field. 3. Network on professional platforms like LinkedIn. 4. Reach out directly to law firms or legal professionals. These steps can help attract the right audience to your site.
No, the right audience is really forensic computing experts that are looking for jobs in the forensic computing field, or in general the forensic business, for providing expert witness testimony and computer litigation support.
Got it. To attract forensic computing experts to your site for job opportunities, you might 1. Post clear job listings and opportunities. 2. Share industry insights, case studies, and resources. 3. Network with professionals at forensic computing events or online forums. 4. Leverage social media to engage with the community. This approach can help you connect with the experts looking for opportunities in this field.
And how can I do it without spending money on advertising?
Without spending on advertising, you could utilize social media to share valuable content and engage with your audience. 2. Join relevant online communities and forums to share your expertise and connect with potential job seekers. 3. Offer to write guest posts or be a guest on podcasts related to forensic computing. 4. Network at industry events, either virtually or in person. These organic methods can help build your presence and attract the right audience.
Sounds like a good idea. Which one do you think I should start with?
Starting with social media is a great first step. It's cost-effective and allows you to quickly reach a broad audience. Start by sharing insightful content related to forensic computing and engaging with your audience to build connections.
Do you think that will result in me getting more jobs as a forensic computer expert?
It could definitely help. Consistently sharing valuable content and engaging with your audience can increase your visibility and credibility, which may lead to more job opportunities as a forensic computer expert.
So what kind of presentation do you think I should make concerning that?
Consider presentations on topics like digital evidence analysis, case studies of forensic investigations, best practices in computer forensics, or emerging trends and tools in the field. Tailor your content to showcase your expertise and offer value to your audience.
Yes, I have a specific case in mind of policemen that have deleted their body cam and destroyed evidence. In Florida, in Miami, the Pino case. Have you heard about the Pino case in Miami?
It sounds like you're talking about a hypothetical or fictional case. You could create a presentation on how forensic computing techniques can recover deleted data and analyze.
No, this is not a hypothetical case. This is a real current case in which Pino...
No, I haven't heard about the Pinot case in Miami. If it's a real case, it might have come up after my last update in 2023.
Yes, it is. It happened in 2025. So it is past your update. Do you want to know about it?
Got it. But I still don't have information on that specific case. If it's a recent or ongoing matter, it might not be in my knowledge base. However,
Yeah, job forensics. It was a case where a criminal, Pino, killed a girl with his boat.
exactly. Since
Pino killed a girl with his boat when he was drunk.
I don't have information on specific events or cases that occurred in 2025, but I'd be interested to learn more about the Pinot case if you'd like to share.
Yes, the Pino case is a case in which a drunk developer killed a girl with his boat, with a collision of his boat with another boat, in which a girl was hit with his boat, and he killed the girl and then deleted the videos, the police videos that include testimony. So it's a case of video evidence deletion. The police deleted the evidence of their body cams. And it seems like the policeman got paid off or got bribed to delete the evidence of Mr. Pino so he would not be held responsible.
I see. So the Pinot case involves an incident where a man named Pinot allegedly killed a girl with his boat while he was drunk. Sounds like a serious case that would indeed involve forensic.
Yes, and the problem was that the police deleted their body cams that included evidence of the killing. The question is how to prevent the policemen from erasing their body cam videos. Did you get it?
That's a serious case. In situations like this, digital forensics could play a crucial role in recovering deleted videos and other evidence to support the investigation. It highlights the importance of expertise in forensic computing.
want to click the plus sign, folder upload, but not folder upload, but file upload. And then upload the zip file that contains my notes. Then go back and see if there are any more. Google Voice numbers will expire. So here's another number that will expire. X strategy me. Now I want to delete outdated mails except the mail that I sent to myself. I want to delete, and then I want to go to voice. Then I want to pro, like an outbound pro.
Hi, I'm ChatGPT, an AI assistant. Just so you know, our conversation may be reviewed for safety. By continuing this call, you agree to OpenAI's terms and privacy policy. So, how can I help you today?
Help me develop my domain name.
Could you clarify what you mean by develop your domain? Are
Yes.
you looking to create a website, or is it something else?
Yes, but create a website and develop
Got it.
for the domain that is xstrategy.me. xstrategy.me.
Oh, you're referring to a domain related to strategy. Are you looking for advice on developing a website for a strategy-based business or concept?
Yes, that's exactly what I'm looking for. A
Great.
strategy type business for strategy automated strategy trading.
Got it. An automated strategy trading business. That sounds interesting. You'll want a website that clearly explains your services, showcases your track record, and provides a user-friendly interface for clients. Have you thought about the key features you want on your site?
Yes, except that I don't want to develop my own strategies only. I want to resell strategies that other people have developed. So this is why it is called X strategy. Means that I will be selling various strategies that other developers have developed, and I will do the marketing and the testing and the distribution of the strategy.
Got it. So you're creating a platform to resell strategies developed by others. Sounds like a great niche. Your website should focus on showcasing these strategies, offering detailed performance metrics, easy purchasing options, and maybe even a community forum. Are you also looking to integrate any unique features?
Yes, exactly. And the unique feature will be that I will be training people on how to run the strategies.
That's a fantastic idea. Offering training on how to effectively run the strategies could really set your platform apart. It adds value and builds trust with your customers. You could include webinars, tutorials, or live support. Do you have any specific ideas for the training broadcasts?
Yes, it will be live support in which I will run a simulated live training of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies running 24/7 so people can see for themselves the performance of various strategies for currency trading.
That's a smart approach. Providing live support with a simulated environment for cryptocurrency trading running 24/7 will allow your clients to see real-time performance. It's a great way to educate and build confidence in the strategies you're offering. Anything else you'd like to include on your site?
Yes, live streaming and educational seminars that which I'm teaching already in a college, but I will open it to the public so people from the public can see the live stream on YouTube and learn from my academic classes.
That sounds like a valuable addition. Offering live-streamed educational seminars, especially ones you've already been teaching at the college level, can really enhance your platform's credibility. Plus, streaming on YouTube makes it accessible to a wider audience. Anything else in mind for your website?
Yes, and the important thing is that it doesn't take me any extra time because I'm teaching it to my college students anyways. So I will repurpose it also for the public so the public can watch it live on YouTube, and then I will help provide additional support, and I will hire the students as interns to help the public.
That's a brilliant plan. Repurposing your college lectures for a wider audience is efficient, and hiring students as interns to provide additional support is a great way to manage your time while giving them valuable experience. It sounds like you're setting up a comprehensive and supportive ecosystem for your trading strategy platform. Do you need any more advice or ideas?
Yes, I'm seeking to entice the strategy developers to let me host the strategies and run them in real time so that my students can learn how to run them and how to write strategies of their own and also support the strategies.
That's a win-win approach. By enticing strategy developers to host and run their strategies on your platform, you're not only giving your students hands-on experience, but also creating a dynamic learning and support environment. Make sure to highlight the benefits for developers, like exposure, user feedback, and potential collaborations. Anything else you'd like to discuss or brainstorm?
Yes, tell me, how can I entice the developers to let me host their strategies and to sell their strategies to the public?
To entice developers, consider these approaches. Offer a profit-sharing model where they earn a percentage of sales. Provide them with analytics and performance feedback. And offer marketing support to boost their visibility. You could also create a developer-friendly environment with robust tools and support. Highlight the educational aspect, showing how their strategies can inspire and educate the next generation of traders.
Okay, there is no more Google Voice. Inspiring 7. No. Inspiring 30 maybe. AI. Approve. Okay, so this is it. I'm ready to wrap it up. No more exploration problems. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test the recording, stop them, play back the video. I'll start with MSN Recorder Max, stop it, okay.